Meet the GE Westerm D20 K4Z module designed to boost your equipment's energy efficiency and performance with reliable Harris DAP technology. The GE Westerm D20 K4Z-517-0242-000280 mounted output module engineered to enhance industrial operations. This module optimizes energy efficiency, ensuring your equipment performs at its best. Featuring Harris DAP technology, it delivers reliable and consistent output, crucial for maintaining high operational standards. This cutting-edge solution is designed to optimize energy efficiency, crucial for enhancing industrial operations. It significantly improves performance across various equipment, ensuring consistent and reliable output. The GE Westerm D20 K4Z-517-0242-000280 mounted output module. This advanced module is engineered to optimize energy efficiency, a key factor in enhancing industrial operations. Tailored to meet the needs of modern industry, this module is your solution for superior operational efficiency. The power of the GE Westerm module, designed to optimize energy efficiency in industrial operations. By integrating this technology, businesses can significantly reduce energy consumption while boosting overall performance. This cutting-edge technology significantly reduces energy consumption, leading to enhanced operational performance. Trust in GE's innovation to elevate your industrial processes and drive efficiency to new heights. This technology is essential for maintaining stable industrial operations, providing the foundation for achieving desired performance levels. Experience the reliability and stability that Harris DAP technology brings to your industrial processes, ensuring success and performance excellence. Thank you for watching us.